Hello everyone, welcome back. Look at this beautiful blanket. I would love to share with you how to make it. Here is my granddaughter and my grandson enjoying the blanket. All you're gonna need is this yarn. I'm going to list the details in the description box and an 8mm hook. Let's start. The first thing to do will be the slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Let me show you again, just like this, and making an X. Insert the hook underneath this one, pull the other one through, and that's your slip knot. Okay, so tie it a little bit, but not too much. The key for this type of blanket and using this yarn is to keep your stitches loose. So let's start by making chains. Yarn over, pull it through. I'm going to do 78 chains, but it's up to you, whatever width you want. This pattern doesn't require you to have any specific stitch count. So after you do all your desired chain length, you're gonna start by making half double crochet. We're going to start the first half double crochet in the third chain from where your hook is. Okay, so right here you will do yarn over and insert the hook in the third chain, pull it through. Now you have 3 loops. You yarn over and pull it through all loops. Very simple. This is the half double crochet. So you're gonna continue making half double crochet all the way until the end of your chain. This is your first row, and you're gonna keep doing the same half double crochet, pulling through all loops. Now, like I mentioned, you don't need to have any specific number of chains to start this pattern. It doesn't require you to have any specific number, so it's whatever width you would like to have, and it's going to make it so much easier for you. Okay, so now I'm almost done with the first row. I'm going to finish a couple more of half double crochet. And after, you're going to chain 2. 1 and 2. Now you're going to turn around and you're going to start making half double crochet again, but in this row you're going to start by putting the half double crochet in the front post. It's very simple. Yarn over, pull your hook through the post just like this. Then yarn over and pull it through. Let me show you again, right here. Okay, just right here. Pull the yarn through, you have the 3 loops, yarn over and pull it through completely. This is what it's called half double crochet on the front post. Very simple. What this is going to create is a very interesting texture on the back of your blanket. So this blanket kind of like looks like reversible. You see? Now at the end of this row, you have to be careful not to miss the last stitch. Let me show you. So you grab this one here, you finish your half double crochet, and you make sure you insert the hook on the last space. Make sure you do that for your second row. Now you're gonna do 2 chains and then turn around. Now you do your half double crochet between your posts. So you're gonna be alternating a row between the post and the next row on the front post. So this is how it's starting to look like. Pretty, isn't it? That's all it is to it. So let me show you what to do when you need to add a new ball of yarn. Very simple. What you need to do is just complete the last stitch halfway. Don't finish this. Leave those 2 loops. Grab the new yarn like this. Pull it through to complete the stitch. Okay? Now pull the tail a little bit so it's long enough. And continue making your half double crochet. Grab the tails on the back. Just like this. Making sure you're grabbing it. And to secure it better, you may do a knot on the back after. Let me show you how. You don't have to, it's not necessary, but in this case, this blanket's for my granddaughter. She's only 5, so I know she's going to put it on the floor, she's going to toss it around. I want to make sure that it's secure. Now what I'm going to do is weave in the tails a couple of times, and then I'm going to cut the tails, and that's it. That's what you need to do every time you add a new ball of yarn. And you're gonna be doing the same stitches until you reach out the desired length of your blanket. I hope I'm inspiring you to make one just like this. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. It was very relaxing for me to make this blanket. As you can see here, I am just taking care of my youngest grandson, and he's on the blanket I made for him. Now I'm making this one for his sister, and here it is, the final product. She's going to love it. And here she is testifying that she liked it.
Hi, Alita. I miss you. I really like the blanket.
Unhappy Grandma. Thank you for watching. Until next time, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.